I've got a quick list of 6 things you can stop doing now so you can start seeing results sooner. Now, number 1, are you aiming too high too soon? This is a recipe for failure and frustration. Goals like shredding 10 kilos in a few weeks or even running a marathon within a couple of months can be daunting and discouraging. Instead, set smaller, realistic targets to fuel your long-term progress. Number 2, comparing yourself to others. It's okay to draw inspiration from others, but don't let their progress define your worth, okay? Number 3, over-restricting your diet. Skipping meals or obsessing over those scales is not only discouraging, but it also can lead to cravings, fatigue, and a serious lack of motivation. Now, what I would like you to do more is aim for a balanced, enjoyable lifestyle that supports your overall health and well-being. Number 4, navigating without a plan. Having a proven game plan to take you from where you are right now and where you want to be will save you time and effort in the future. Otherwise, you are just relying solely on guesswork, and that is not going to help you reach your goals. Number 5, your short-term vision. Being fit for a vacation or even an event sounds great, but staying fit and in shape long-term is even better. And number 6, isolating yourself. Everyone needs a support network. A strong support network team, like a coach, can help you and hold you accountable, help you with motivation to reach your goals sooner. Now, if you'd like some more tips, you can download for free my Master Your Metabolism Guide, and I hope it helps you with some more information in getting your health on track. And of course, if you're looking to shred a little bit of weight, it may just be the thing to help you get started.